Hello ladies and gentlemen, and welcome to episode 66 of Trains At, and today we're at Hitchin on the East Coast Mainline, and I'm being joined by CRM Rail Spotter and Trainspot East. Services will be provided by Grand Central, Great Northern, Hull Trains and Virgin Trains East Coast.
Yeah, I'll be fine, yeah.
And now arriving in is our first train of the day, 2 Tango 10, the 1048, South Great Northern service from London King's Cross to Cambridge North. Don't ask me where this is calling. And also passing is the Hull Trains Adelante. I'll get its details in a moment. It is formed of 180, 180. And the Great Northern service from 365-541. Right, so the Hull Trains service was 1 Alpha 92, the 1044 Hull Trains service from Hull to London King's Cross. And now getting ready to pass by is the 225 set for Virgin Trains East Coast. At 91-124 and 82-226. With 1 Sierra 12, the 1050 Virgin Trains East Coast service from London King's Cross to Newcastle. And now departing is 365-541 with 2 Tango 10, the 1048 Great Northern service from London King's Cross to Cambridge North. As that heads off towards this next stop of, I do believe, Letchworth Garden City, we will see what's next here at Hitchin. And now arriving in is 1 Papa 48, the 1052 Great Northern service from London King's Cross to Peterborough. Do correct me if I get this wrong, this is calling, I do believe, at Arlesey, Biggleswade, Sandy, St Neots, Huntingdon and Peterborough. It's formed a 365-535 and 365-507. I'm hissing at me. And we will catch this on its departure. And now getting ready to depart is 365-535 and 365-507.
With the delayed.
Forming 1 Papa 48, 1052, Great Northern service from London King's Cross to Peterborough, calling again, do correct me on this, at Arlesey, Biggleswade, Sandy, St Neots, Huntingdon and Peterborough.
He is 3 minutes late.
Which is not bad, considering the weather is quite meh. And now getting ready to pass by is a Virgin Trains East Coast Great Northern service from Peterborough to London King's Cross. Get its details in a moment. 365-530. And 365-510, making a very weird noise. A squeaky noise.
So that was for me.
That is 1 Papa 15, the 1051 Great Northern service from London King's Cross.
That's now officially non-stop to Peterborough, don't believe me, I think.
And now arriving in is 1 Charlie 57, the 1100 Great Northern service from Cambridge to London King's Cross.
Very bright lights there, isn't it?
Formed of 2 387s. We'll also do something special very, very, very soon.
Oh, it would have been funny if it was in reverse formation.
What? The steam at the back?
No, not steam, this one. It's like a pantograph facing the other one.
Number 387-124, and we'll get what's on the rear as she departs. And now departing is 387124, and something else on the road with 1 Charlie 57, the 1100. Great Northern Service from Cambridge to London King's Cross, calling Stevenage Finsbury Park and London King's Cross.
Is the 1100, Great Northern Service to London King's Cross from Cambridge to 387124 at front.
Those passengers look in pain. Only the one sitting down. And on the rear is 387125. I guessed correctly.
So 387124 and 125 to London.
And we will see what's next here at Hitchin as that heads
I
off
do
to its
believe I
next
heard
stop
HS2.
of Stevenage. And now getting ready to pass by is 1 Delta 10, the 1100 Virgin Twins East Coast service from London King's Cross to Leeds. The go is formed up after she's passed. That's 91 112 and 82 231.
Gonna get up.
And we will see what's next here at Hitchin.
She's a 12 car.
And now arriving in. No. What is this? Now passing by is 1 Tango 16, the 1106 Great Northern Service from London King's Cross to King's Lynn. We'll go to Swarmed Up after it's passed. Forms of 387, 118, 120 and 127.
2 away, that last one. 2 away, that wouldn't be my stalker. I think she's in the yard at Thing.
And we will see what's next here at Hitchin. And now getting ready to pass by is Grand Central Adelante. The service details and number will get after it's passed. That is 180 101. After its next stop of Doncaster. On 1 Delta 91, the 1109 Grand Central service from London King's Cross to Bradford Interchange. And now getting ready to depart, or now departing, is 2 Papa 45, the 1106 Great Northern service from Peterborough to London King's Cross. Formed of 365 540. I think everyone was giving us weird looks on that train.
I have to agree. Cheer up, mate, you're going into London.
There is 82227 and 91116.
I was going to ask, did anyone
With 1 Alpha
ask
19, the
that?
1107 Virgin
Did
Twins
anyone
East Coast
wait
service
for that
from
thing?
Leeds to London King's Cross. And there's a Great Northern service passing through, but it's on a red, so we won't get it. And now passing by is 387 109, along with 2 other sets. Great 7, 104 and 111 make up the set. And that is 1 Tango 23, the 1109 Great Northern service from King's Lynn to London King's Cross, calling it London King's Cross
Sparking
only.
away up there as usual.
Here is 365 532.
Right, that was Battle of Britain.
Yep, I didn't catch the BBT on that, but yeah, so going through there was, passing by was, shoot. So So arriving in there is 2 Papa 10, the 1118 Great Northern Service. From London King's Cross to Peterborough, passing by is 1013, the 1120. Virgin Trains East Coast Service from London King's Cross to Edinburgh.
Wasn't that 205? Well,
And
it's right, no, I forgot the one.
now arriving in
Behind you.
is 1 Charlie 50, the 1222 Great Northern Service.
Down behind you.
From London King's Cross to Cambridge. And also passing by is a 225 set. And 91122. And arriving in here is the Cambridge service, formed of 387117. And 387106. So the passing service was 1 Delta 11, the 1153 service. From Leeds to London King's Cross. No, 1 Alpha 20, the 1120, wait, what? No, never mind, I'm confused. And now passing by is 1 Delta 11, the King's Cross Leeds service. Formed of 91127 and 82205, Flying Scotsman DVT, I think. Also, my camera's just died. Like, completely, like, just died. Not low battery, just died.
Well, it's stopping because there's a red signal.
And getting ready to pass by, we think, is a train.
It is a train.
We know that the train's getting ready to pass by.
What is a train?
But we don't know.
57!
Ooh, it's a West Coast Railway Company.
Whoa! Oh, it's being dragged.
Ah, really?
It's being dragged. Boo!
So
It's being
this
dragged.
is 5 Zulu 65, the 1140 West Coast Railway Company ECS move, from Southall to Norwich.
This will be the one that I go on, guys.
Why did my camera have to die?
Is it just... The camera's not... Oh, please go, Amber, please go, Amber, please go, Amber, please. I'm not going to video it. Oh, my God.
Looks to be formed of a 47, hauling some sort of steam train, and lots of coaches. Sounds nice. On the 47746, and this is driving 17013 Oliver Cromwell. And everything is looking positively lovely. Lots of first class seats. To be expected, honestly. Proper kitchen car. Lots of first class seats. I think it's all first class. The Pullman coaches look really nice though. They all look nice. And we'll catch this on departure. It passing.
Scotty! Scotty! What do I want?
So, passing there was an unknown DVT in 91101, Flying Scotsman,
Scotty goes, and an unknown DVT.
with
She'll be coming back later.
Yeah, that's going to come out later.
So, I'll be both of them. Now,
We've just got to hope it's on one of the services.
one, no,
It's got to be on there.
think you'll do the Edinburgh service. I think we'll do one.
With 1 Alpha 20,
Oh, Aberdeen.
the
It won't go to
1128
I think it's going to something else.
Right, 365, whatever it is.
Virgin Trains East Coast service from Leeds to London King's Cross.
Why did it told 20 past later? Why did it told 20 past later?
And also departing behind there is 365 506.
Double, oh, max bit.
With 1 Papa 59, the 1131. Great Northern service from Peterborough to London King's Cross. Passing through there, just passed through while I was fixing my phone charging situation, was an unknown Grand Central Adelante with 1 Alpha 70, the 1133 Grand Central service from Bradford Interchange to London King's Cross.
Passengers on platform 2 wishing to look at the steam locomotive, could you please make sure you stand back from the platform edge?
So, we're just waiting for this to leave, obviously. Funnily enough, even though they have Oliver Cromwell being hauled, it's not actually doing any propulsion of any sort by itself. It's actually being hauled by Class 47. They actually have it in steam. But I don't know why, they just do. Yeah, this isn't due to leave for a little while. I would not be talking to you right now because I would be up at the locomotive taking a photo, but my camera's dead. Not in terms of battery, in terms of... I think the battery is broken. Passing by is an unknown Great Northern 387. On 1 Tango 18, the 1136, Great Northern service from London King's Cross to Ely. And passing by is the 1140. On 1 Alpha 61, the 1140 Grand Central service from Sunderland to London King's Cross. And Oliver Cromwell and its 47 are now departing. CRM, I am jealous of you, CRM Rail Spotter. You're going to be on this. I hate you for it. I wish I was. That 47 sounds nice. That is an absolutely beautiful sight. It is gorgeous. And we will catch what's next here at Hitchin. And now getting ready to pass by is 1 Tango 25, the 1142 Great Northern service from Kingsland to London King's Cross, calling at London King's Cross only, I think. I forgot to get what was on the front, but the rear is 387-107. What was on the rear? Oh, in the front. What was on the front?
108.
387-108 is on the front. And now getting ready to pass by
Passing through now is a Grand Central service.
is 1 November 92, the 1144 Grand Central service from London King's Cross to Sunderland. No idea what the number is on that. What was the number?
No, it wasn't. No, it wasn't. What was the one we saw before? 101. I think that was 104.
Yeah, that's an Adelante after Sunderland. We will contemplate that.
Okay.
And now arriving in is 2 Tango 12, the 1148 Great Northern Service from London King's Cross to Cambridge North. Formed of 387121. And we will see what's next here at Hitchin. And now getting ready to pass by is a thing I'll get after it's passed. Two 557 was my house number in London. Oh, we also have a 91, which we'll get after it's passed. That's 91-129 and 82-212. So, the Intercity 125 was running 1 Echo 03, the 1151 Virgin Trains East Coast service from Edinburgh to London King's Cross. The Intercity 225 was running 1015, the 1150 Virgin Trains East Coast service from Newcastle, from London King's Cross to Newcastle. And now arriving in
365520
So we've seen them now.
is 1 Charlie 59, the 1200 Great Northern Service from London King's Cross to Cambridge, calling Letchworth Garden City. I've forgotten the rest. Ah. Oh, it's Peterborough. 365520 and 365501, I think. 35501. Okay, it's Peterborough, which puts this.
What a driver!
And as 1 Papa 50, the 1152 Great Northern Service from London King's Cross to Peterborough.
Got teeth. And I've got the 465.
And departing now is 365520 and 365501. With 1 Papa 50, the 1152 Great Northern Service from London King's Cross to Peterborough. As it heads off towards its next stop of Arlesey, we will see what's next here at Hitchin. And now getting ready to pass by is an IET. The services details we'll get in a moment.
IET. Alright, IET.
That is 800-012 with the 1155 freight from Doncaster IEP depot to North Pole Junction. Now getting ready to pass by is Virgin Trains East Coast 225 set.
Platform 103, 82-209.
91-103 and 82-209. Working 1 Delta 12, the 1158 Virgin Trains East Coast service from London King's Cross to Leeds. So, for the sake of my new Galaxy S6's mere 32 gigs of storage, I will be leaving it off here. I will be leaving episode 66 of Trains That off here at Hitchin. Episode 67 of Trains That will be from Stevenage.
Okay, coming in now is the 1200 Great Northern Service from Cambridge to London King's Cross.
I guess we're just gonna round this video off with the arrival of the 1200 service, which is
Double pairing of 365.
1 Charlie 59, the 1200 service from
365.
Cambridge to London King's Cross.
It's 365.
We won't get that on the rear for sake of keeping the video short.
Oh,
You
thank
must
you.
have got away. You must have got away. Mr. CRM. You must have got away.
Oh, that's a set of game.
No, hang on. I'll be quite suspicious if this is 515 on the back.
We'll find out when the parts anyway.
And this is formed of 365514, the set I got into Hitchin.
Oh, did you?
Yeah.
So you know the number?
No.
Oh. I was going to say, she should know the number.
And I will see you in episode 67 of Trains Out from Stevenage.